Maybelline just released new mascara, and it's the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, and this one is in 202 Very Black. This is the waterproof formula. I already love the Falsies mascara, the original version, so when I saw this I knew that I had to try it and review it for you. Dramatic length, volume, and lift. You look at these lashes here, they look like to die for. Like, I just reviewed the new one also from L'Oreal, Bambi, and you saw that the lashes there look like, I don't know, but the mascara, watch the review. This one, oh my god, I hope my lashes end up looking like that. As you see, I have very little tiny lashes, you could barely see them. I always get the waterproof because they hold a curl better, so that's what we're going to see. That is why I don't have any eyeliner on, so you can see how it really looks. Falsies Lash Lift waterproof mascara with fiber delivers dramatic volume and long lifted lashes. A mascara that looks like false eyelashes. Our double curved lifting brush and fiber infused formula grabs lashes at the root to lift, thicken, and lengthen. No clumps, smears, or flakes, just volume and the look of longer eyelashes that last all day. Hey, that's everything I want. You give me volume, you give me length, no clumping. For best results, start from the root to the tip and just sweep. This retails for $10.49 and you get 0.29 ounces. Wand looks like the one from Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, or the Too Faced Better Than Sex one. We look at the tube. It's very different from the original. As you can see, it's just this silver plain looking, and you just have the same purple from the original, and it just says waterproof. I'm going to go ahead and curl these teeny weeny hairs. The way I always curl my lashes before, because even with a waterproof formula I would never be able to get any kind of lift or curl. Alright, so you can kind of see them a little better there. I want to move quickly so that curl doesn't drop. Alright, yeah, it's similar. Not exactly the same with that like hourglass shape, but that's kind of what they're going for here. Let's try this out. Wow, just look at that. It really did give me a nice lift. Not all mascaras that are waterproof are gonna give you a curl. Like, I know that is why a lot of people choose the waterproof, because it will make your curl actually last, and this one definitely does. Look at that lift. Right now there's no clumpiness whatsoever. I did get a little bit on the lid, but not a lot. It is best to start from the root and just wiggle up. That's how I like to do it. I was even able to get like in this inner corner that could be a little difficult sometimes. I'm gonna go with one more coat and see how it looks, because I always do that with any mascara. I like to build it up, and we'll see if it could handle it or it gets clumpy. Not like a super wet formula, so not trying to let it dry too much, so let me just apply. Do you see that? Do you see that? Oh my god, that is gorgeous. I could definitely see it's starting to like stick together. You can always just separate it with like a lash comb. Any things that you could separate them with. Messiness, you can clean it up. The Q-tip to go ahead and apply it on this eye, just so you can see the difference of one coat with two. Also apply it to the bottom lash. Like I say in all my mascara reviews, I have a separate mascara for my lower lashes, but when I do the reviews I like to apply the mascara to the lower lashes to see how it looks. One coat and two coats. I'm just really loving it. Like, the length is definitely there. You saw that you could not see my lashes at all before this mascara, so I'm really loving this, and it's holding up the curl. I'm like so happy, but I can't even say I'm surprised, because Maybelline just is like amazing. One more. And now the bottom lashes. Wow, do I even have to say it? Like, just look at this. I'm in love, in love, in love. Like, now I have a competition going on with some of L'Oreal, some of Maybelline. I don't know which one is more beautiful. Have you tried the telescopic from L'Oreal? Oh my god. But can you see this? I don't know how the filler formula is, but this waterproof is definitely a thumbs up. 10 out of 10. If you do maybe more than 2 coats, you'll probably have to separate them a little, but it did give me the length, volume, I mean as much volume as my teeny weeny lashes can possibly get. But wow, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now I'm just gonna put my eyeliner. It's kind of hard to put your eyeliner after like the mascara, but I'm gonna put it so you can see how it looks like also with eyeliner. Alright, so I was gonna do both, but I just want you to see the difference. You obviously can see it much more, like if you have small lashes like me, you can see it much more like that without eyeliner, but it still looks very pretty with the eyeliner on this side. And the bottom lashes are looking really good. Right now, nothing has transferred to like this area here. Check the comments. I will leave the playlist with like all my other mascara reviews. Also update like if there was any transfer or anything. But they are looking good. Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Thank you guys in my next video. Bye.